The Phillips curve is an economic concept that explores the historical link between unemployment and inflation in a growing economy. At its core, the theory suggests a short-term inverse relationship. When one variable rises, the other typically falls. When the labor market is tight, businesses pay more to attract staff, which can lead to higher prices for goods and services. Economists study these links to understand how stimulating the economy might influence the cost of living over time. While this trade-off seems clear in the short term, many argue that in the long run, inflation is driven by monetary policy. This chart illustrates how inflation and unemployment data points have historically moved in opposite directions during specific economic cycles. Real-world events like supply shocks can disrupt these patterns, making this curve a helpful guide rather than a rigid rule. Thanks for watching. Understanding these basics helps you make sense of central bank decisions. Subscribe for more financial concept breakdowns.